Hi, I'm Carmine Perry from Topeka Daily Pope and Perry. Oftentimes I'm asked, how do you challenge the conduct of a power of attorney? Well, there are a number of ways, but today we're going to talk about two. The first is filing of an action for an accounting. The second is the filing of a conservatorship proceeding, which is essentially asking a probate court to replace the existing power of attorney. All right, let's take the first one, the action for an accounting. What you're essentially doing is asking a court to require a power of attorney to account, to open up the books as to what they've been doing with respect to someone's finances. With that, you can review the information and determine whether a power of attorney has been properly and adequately managing someone's affairs. The second one is the conservatorship proceeding. That one, you're essentially asking a probate court to replace the existing power of attorney. You're doing so because you're going to allege that the existing power of attorney is not doing what he or she is supposed to be doing. Now, sometimes, in cases, you do both. You first do the action for an accounting. You do so, you show to a court that it's necessary for the court to require that information to be shared, and then you review it. And if you find something, you file that involuntary conservatorship application. If you find yourself in this position, please feel free to call us. Thank you.